Have you ever wondered about the most extreme phenomena in our universe? Today, we're diving into a truly mind-bending concept. Imagine a star so vast, so powerful. It defies our current understanding, a cosmic behemoth from the dawn of time. What if you were too? Fall into such an object. What would that journey be like? Prepare for the ultimate cosmic plunge. These theoretical objects, known as quasi-stars, existed only in the early universe. They are truly unlike anything we see today. So what exactly is a quasi-star? Picture a colossal protostar. Still forming, but with a unique, terrifying secret at its heart, at its core. A quasi-star harbors a black hole. This isn't just a star. It's a star powered by a central black hole. They formed in the universe's infancy, when vast clouds of gas were abundant. These clouds collapsed, feeding both the star and its central black hole. Their size is staggering, millions of times the radius of our sun. They are incredibly luminous, shining brighter than entire galaxies. Despite their brilliance, their lifespan was relatively short, perhaps only a few million years. A fleeting, yet powerful, cosmic phenomenon. Now let's embark on our hypothetical journey. As you approach a quasi-star, the first thing you'd notice is its immense gravitational pull. Space-time itself would begin to warp and distort around you. A dizzying dance orchestrated by the star's colossal mass as you draw closer. The heat and radiation would become unbearable. The outer layers of the quasi-star are incredibly hot and energetic. Then tidal forces would begin their work. The difference in gravity across your body would stretch and pull you apart. This stretching, known as spaghettification, is the universe's way of tearing apart anything that dares to approach too closely. Finally, you would enter the quasi-star's outer envelope. This isn't a solid surface, but a superheated, opaque plasma. It's a dense, turbulent region of gas, far beyond anything we experience on Earth. The pressure and temperature are unimaginable. Matter continuously infalls towards the central black hole, fueling its power and maintaining the star's colossal size. Deeper still, you journey towards the quasi-star's true heart, its black hole core. This is where the real mystery lies. The black hole constantly accretes matter, preventing the star from collapsing or exploding. It's a delicate, violent balance. Near the event horizon, time and space behave bizarrely. Our familiar laws of physics begin to break down. Intense X-ray and gamma-ray radiation, generated by the superheated accretion disk, would bombard you from all directions. As you approach the event horizon, spaghettification reaches its peak. Your body would be stretched into a long, thin strand of atoms. Beyond this point, there is no return. You would cross the event horizon, cut off from the observable universe forever. Your ultimate fate within the black hole remains unknown, a profound mystery at the very edge of our scientific understanding. This hypothetical journey into a quasi-star reveals the incredible and terrifying nature of cosmic extremes. Quasi-stars played a crucial role in understanding the early universe and the formation of supermas. Of black holes, they remind us of the vastness and the truly mind-boggling phenomena that exist beyond our comprehension. Thank you for joining us on this journey to the edge of cosmic possibility. Stay curious and keep exploring the universe's wonders.